We are staying at the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Studios Orlando.
And we're going to take you on a hotel and room tour, so let's get going.
I gotta do this kind of fast because the gates above us are about ready to open. One of the cool things about the Hard Rock Hotel is it was one of the original hotels here on the Universal Studios Orlando Resort area. You had the Hard Rock Hotel, Portofino Bay, and then the Royal Pacific. The architecture here is gorgeous. It is a California mission-inspired architecture, which is stunning as you drive in. The slogan here, which I love, is live your best rock style life. So rock on! Here we are. Welcome to the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando. Heading into the lobby. Wow, this is so beautiful. And that's where you check your bags in over there. If you're going to be checking in later, they'll take them up to your room for you. There's also a really cool little lounge area here. It looks like there's live music nightly at 8 p.m. One of the cool things that you can do here is actually get a Fender guitar sent to your room. They also have picks available, so you don't have to bring your own pick, or if you forgot yours or lost yours, you get a pick. I wonder if you can pick your pick. Here's the Velvet Bar, one of the bars here at the Hard Rock Hotel. It's really nice. I love all the rock memorabilia, but there's a bar itself. It kind of attaches itself to that main lounge area, but just a really cool little bar that you could hang out after a hot day at the parks. Ooh, look at this. Lady Gaga. How cool is that? They really do have some cool rock star memorabilia here. All over the hotel. It's just spread out everywhere. Here's the Palm Restaurant. So this is a upscale New York Italian steak restaurant. And I guess they're really well known for their steaks here. We didn't really get to check this place out, but maybe next time, who knows? Here's your business center that you find at most of the hotels. Here's your business hours. So it's actually open 24 hours. You just tap your room key and you can get in. All right, we're gonna head over to the other side now. I love this lobby. It's so cool. I bet you it's hopping here at 8 p.m. in this little lounge area when they have live music playing. Here's a little rock shop. I actually did a little shopping here. Oh, look, a guitar from Tony of Black Sabbath. Another one, a guitar from Melissa Etheridge. Very cool. So they have all kinds of gear, sweaters, t-shirts, jackets, all the tees. Also pool gear, just in case you forgot your cover up. That looks familiar. I really love that shirt. I'm modeling for Hard Rock. Hey, what up? Rock on. All kinds of cups, mugs, tumblers, shot glasses. I like that one too. I love the color of that. Umbrellas for these afternoon Florida rainy days. And of course, all your amenities, chocolate bars, ring pops. I do love the hats too. Got some really cool hats. Savor them. Hard Rock. I love this sweater. This is super cute. They have a neat little machine where you can make a Hard Rock ID tag. Kind of fun. It's a neat little memorabilia. Elvis Presley. This staircase takes you down to level 1, also where they have a Starbucks, Emack Bolio's, and the kitchen restaurant, which is closed right now. It's temporarily closed for renovation, but it's a really cool retro diner. And does anyone know where else they've seen stairs very similar to this? I love these spiral staircases that they have at these hotels. Check out that chandelier. Saxophones. This is also where you have access to the water taxis. and the pool. So here's Emack Bolio's. Apparently they have award-winning ice cream and they won a contest against Ben & Jerry's, so very cool. Apparently Boston's legendary ice cream, and you can get your cereals, you know, grab and go snacks, Pringles, brownie brittle. There's your liquid libation, you know, just in case you forgot yours or you couldn't bring it, they have it here. All kinds of drinks. Drink your water here while you're in Florida. It's hot and you need to stay hydrated. Here's your Starbucks coffee service. So this is the way to the water taxi and shuttle bus. If you stay to your left and head down that way, you'll see the water taxis. Hey there, hubby. How's it going?
I'm gonna walk all the way out here to the water taxi. So if you look, this is the back courtyard here, come out of the back entrance. If you come back this way, it's gonna go to the water taxi. I'm guessing this courtyard, they probably use it for like maybe weddings, I'm guessing. Looks like it's artificial turf. Let's see actually. Yes, this is artificial turf. Here's our water taxi area. It's actually pretty close. And the boat's just leaving there to head over to City Walk. Now, if you don't want to take the boat, or the boats aren't running because of inclement weather, kind of like we're about to get here, you can also walk down the walkway here, and it kind of winds around. It's about a 5-6 minute walk to get to City Walk, and you come in right by the Universal Arch.
Here is that beautiful pool at the Hard Rock Hotel. It's so gorgeous. They have the beach club here. You can get light snacks. You can get all of your drinks. It is open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we were here late last night and it was still beautiful. So you start off with this really cool little splash area, and then check out that pool. It's just so gorgeous. They have a little beachy area that way, so it actually has sand, and if you don't want to get in the sand, you can go over here to the right, and there really isn't sand over there. But make sure to pick up your towels, life jackets, and then Beach Club is straight ahead. They have menus at all of the seats here, so you can order from where you're sitting. And then of course the slide right over there. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed going down that slide. And there's a beautiful view of the hotel. So here's a look at one of the cabanas. So they're limited capacity to 10, but you get a TV in here. How cool is that? All right, it's time to go back inside. It's a little toasty out here. Whew. I wish I was actually going in that pool. Back to the AC. Oh. This Florida heat is no joke, you guys. So this is where the elevators are. This is actually how you get to your hotel room.
Club level, baby.
We are staying at the exclusive Rock Royalty level. That's also known as the club level here. One of the cool perks is you get this nice little club here where you can come, relax every morning, midday, afternoon, and then at night. They have snacks, they have desserts, they have wines, beers, all kinds of different things right now. They have just kind of like donuts, chips. There's always drinks available here. Got a nice little coffee machine. This is available throughout the day until 9 o'clock. So you have to remember that at 9 o'clock they do close it down. This has been my favorite thing here. The water cooler with some Sprite and Coke. There's hubby. He's hungry. He's getting some snacks. You would have thought my favorite part of up here would have been these donuts. So here is the room tour of the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando. This is a Club King room. Coming in here, and there's a closet. Ooh, look at that, tiger print hangers. You got an iron board, an iron. There's a luggage rack. These are kind of small closets. More hangers over there, and an extra pillow. Hi, hubby. He's
Hello.
making himself comfortable already.
Yes.
So you got your nice king-size bed there. Couple of chairs, some nightstands, and wow, we got a view of the pool here. So nice little view of the pool on club level here. Got a nice little desk area, TV, some drawers for all your stuff. Nice size drawers. Oh, look at this mirror. It actually tells the heights of different rock stars.
Wow, Snoop Dogg's tall.
Snoop Dogg was 6 feet 4 inches. How tall am I? So I'm about as tall as Adele or Frank Sinatra. That's kind of cool. And then over here we've got the bathroom. So it looks like a really nice shower. Everything looks very clean. Nice and white. I prefer the little slider doors, but we've got a nice white shower curtain. Nice rug, carpet. Looks like we've got some cups, tissues, soap, extra toilet paper. There's your toilet area. And then over here, your coffee maker with some Fiji water, condiments, more cups, your little ice box. And then down here, looks like we've got our refrigerator. Wrong way. So there's your standard refrigerator. Oh, there's a little drawer in here. Ah, nothing in there. And that's about it. So this is the Club King room at the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando. I give it a thumbs up. What do you think, hubby? So that about sums up our tour here at the Hard Rock Hotel. We hope that you enjoyed the tour. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We had an incredible visit here. We hope that this helps you make a decision on if you want to stay here. If not, we hope it was good entertainment value for you. As they say in the music industry, rock on!
It's a good thing we took a video
There's
of
Hubby's
our
underwear.
room when we got here, because now it's a mess and this footage is not going to make it out into public. The end.